This is Bearded Appliance Repair, and we're going to help you fix it. Welcome back, guys. We got a Maytag Bravos today, given the F6E2 error code. That is a miscommunication error between the user interface and the main relay board. We're going to get into this and do a couple checks to determine whether it's the keypad or the main control. But now to get the error codes, you pick any three buttons and you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I believe the error codes just pop up. If they don't, hit the third button once and it should give you the error codes after that. But we got the error code already, so we're going to go ahead and get into this control panel. You got those two screws on top there, and then there's three more. One that holds on this metal plate, and I got the wrong one, so I'm trying to get that metal plate off, and I haven't got out that screw yet. But there's that one for the metal plate, and we got one more on this backside. Alright, now you pull and then lift up, push back, and then lift up again, and this whole panel should come up. There's two clips, one on the right, one on the left, one on the right. You can use some channel locks to squeeze and it'll pop up. But on the left hand side, I like to use a flathead screwdriver. We're going to put it in right behind this hinge, and you can't really see it, but you hinge it up and it breaks that control panel free. Once you get it free, you can lift it up and fall it towards you, and that'll expose the electrical connections behind it. And the first thing we're going to look at is on this main control. We're going to look for a blinking light, and this blinking light will tell you if this main control board is good. If you see that main control, or if you see that green light right there, that means you're getting 12 volts. You can double check at that black connector to see if you get 12 volts there. But if you got 12 volts in that blinking light, your main board is most likely good. One other thing you want to do is check out this harness and make sure the harness is good. Check continuity on each three wires, make sure they're not shorted together or anything. So that's what I'm doing here. Now on this particular one, everything's checking good. The main board's checking good, the wire harness is checking good, and I suspected the control panel was bad from the beginning because that power button wasn't working. So we're going to go ahead and swap this guy out. Whenever you start swapping this out, I mean, all you got to do, it's real easy. I mean, once the other one's off, you just plug in the new one and you turn her on and you see if she works. Previously, you'd try that power button and you wouldn't get anything. It wouldn't turn on, so you really couldn't do anything with it at all. So we already are seeing an improvement. But turn it on, test it, and make sure things are working. But in this particular case, that was it. So we took that plastic off. Now we're going to put these screws back in, and then that's it, guys. So if this helps you out, man, give me a like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching.